When the morning first appear, throne of dawn is drawing near. Every ray a golden fire, throne uplift the spirit higher. Babylon kingdom fade away, throne of dawn declare the day. Every color pure and bright, throne of dawn reveal the light. Prophet chant with voice so strong, throne of dawn correct the wrong. Every judgment bold and true, throne of dawn for me and you. Night is gone, no more disguise, throne of dawn before our eyes. Every step a sacred flame, throne exalt your holy name. Ah, people gather on the plain, throne of dawn break every chain. Songs of freedom fill the air, throne of dawn is standing there. No more silence, no more war, throne of dawn open door. Every nation side by side, throne of dawn remove the pride. Fisher cast upon the sea, throne of dawn bring destiny. Farmer till the blessed ground, throne of dawn spread peace around. Teacher speak with wisdom true, throne of dawn shine ever new. Babylon throne collapse and fall, throne of dawn outshine them all. Every scar and every tear, throne of dawn remove the fear. Children laugh and elders sing, throne of dawn crown your king. Glorious fire, bold and free, throne of dawn eternity. Everlasting morning flame, throne of dawn remain the same. Never fading, never gone, throne of dawn keep burning on. Every sunrise sing again, throne of dawn remove the pain. Sacred kingdom strong and true, throne of dawn for me and you. Rise, rise, shining flame, throne of dawn exalt your name. Glow, glow, morning bright, throne of dawn keep holy light. Sing, sing, bold and long, throne of dawn the righteous song. Rasta is high and meditate your mind. Wow. Across the canyon, wide and deep, bridges rise where shadows creep. Made of mercy, built by grace, bridges link the human race. Step by step, the path is clear, bridges carry us from fear. No more borders, no divide, bridges shine on every side. crafted not with iron stone. Bridges grow from love alone. Every pillar carved in peace. Bridges let the hatred cease. No oppression cross the span. Bridges lift the heart of man. Every nation hand in hand. Bridges bind the broken land. Voices gather on the shore. Bridges call for something more. Songs of feeling, drums of fire. Bridges lift the spirit higher. Even stranger once apart. Bridges mend a broken heart. Every step a sacred vow. Bridges build the future now. Morning sun reveal the way. Bridges glow at break of day. Even storm cloud cannot hide. Bridges stand in holy pride. Babylon wall begin to fall. Bridges rise above it all. Every arch a song of light. Bridges guide us through the night. Aye, 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 aye. Aye, 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 aye. Aye, 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 aye. Aye, 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 aye. Work a hand in work a hand. Bridges stretch across the land. Carved by wisdom, shaped by time. Bridges chant the righteous rhyme. Through the valley, over sea. Bridges guard our destiny. Every step a melody. Bridges hum eternity. When the weary seek a rest, bridges lead them to the best. No more sorrow, no more chains. Bridges wash away the pains. Generations cross the span. Bridges strengthen every man. Glorious flaming shining mind. Bridges keep the way out bright. Everlasting tall and free. Bridges mark our victory. From the mountain to the coast. Bridges hold the Holy Ghost. No more silence, no despair. Bridges prove that love is here. Shining beacon, bold and true. Bridges always carry through. Step, step, side by side. Bridges and the foolish pride. Rise, rise, shining flame. Bridges glorify your name. Walk, walk, don't look back. Bridges lead along the track. Sing, sing, voices strong. Bridges guide us all along. Bridges of light, tall and free. Carry the people to destiny. Never breaking, never fall. Bridges connect the world for all. Forever glowing, strong and bright. Bridges shine your holy light. Through every trial, storm and fight. Bridges guide us into night. Bridges of mercy, bold and true. Open forever for me and you. Yeah, 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 yeah. Aye, 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 aye. Aye, 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 aye. Aye, 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 aye. Na na na, Zion Raka, yeah, man. Blaze up high from heart so true. Fire of Rastaman break through. Burn away the fear and lies. Light the world with just sunrise. Every spark a holy sign. Every flame a true divine. Fire strong, it never tame. Carry forth the righteous name. Fire of Rastaman, bright and bold. Turn the call of Zion come. It blazing heart, it blazing song, guide the nation all along. It teach the people stand upright, burn away the wicked night. No shadow hide, no darkness stay, fire light the righteous way. We sit beside the holy flame, hear it whisper Jah true name. It say, my child, keep faith alive, through Jah love you will survive. It test the soul, it make it strong, teach the weak where they belong. Burn the greed and burn the pride, leave the truth that can't divide. When the dawn upon the land, fire still blaze by Jah hand. From sunset glow to morning bright, fire of Rastaman give light. From first breath until the end, sacred fire remain a friend. Carry blessing from above, blazing fire of you, oh love. Blaze high, blaze clear, Rastafari bring Jah near. No wall, no chain, no iron hold, fire of Rastaman never cold. Fire of Rastaman, bright and bold, turn the night from dark to gold, cleanse the... Na na na, the master reggae of Zion, heal the people, yeah man. Nightfall come, the fire blaze, drum and chalice chant of praise. Circle wide, the people sing, glory rise to Zion King. Smoke ascend, the spirit fly, drum beat echo across the sky. Babylon system fade away, drum and chalice rule today. Every hand upon the skin, drum beat shake One people let the Babylon system fall, you man. At the edge where sky meets sea, book of horizon speak to me. Pages wide as morning flame, book inscribed your holy name. Every dawn a chapter new, book reveal what we must do. No corruption touch the line, book of horizon law divine. Elder read the holy word, book of horizon must be heard. Every mark a shining sign, book connect the heart with time. Babylon ink cannot erase, book of horizon truth and grace. Every symbol bold and pure, book of wisdom still endure. Vision rise at break of day, book of horizon guide the way. Every sunrise mark a key, book unlock eternity. Storm may rage, but it remain, book of horizon break the chain. Every letter flame of light, book reveal what's just and right. Sing to soothe her child, book of horizon voice is mine. Every tale a seed of peace, book let mercy never cease. No more sorrow, no more war, book of horizon open door. Even stranger learn to see, book of love set spirit free. Chant upon the stage, book of horizon turn the page. Every nation find the line, book of justice still divine. Never silent, never still, book of horizon speak your will. From the desert to the sea, book of truth for you and me. Generation rise and pray, book of horizon light the way. Every corner, every land, book is written by John. Glorious wisdom, bold and bright, book of horizon shine the light. Everlasting, strong and sure, book of truth will still endure. Turn, turn, page of flame, book exalt the holy name. Rise, rise, vision clear, book of horizon always near. Speak, speak, wisdom true, book of horizon guide way through. Vast and wide, keep the people true inside. Never ending, never gone, book of truth still carry sky. Fire of Rastafari, blaze so strong. Burn away the hate and wrong, like the path for we to trod. Keep we walking close to God, from the hills to city street. Fire warm the people's feet. It called the youth fee rise and stand. Hold the truth in every hand. It shine like gold, it burn like sun. Tell the people we are one. No frost, no cold can dim its glow. Fire of Jah forever show. Babylon tremble when it see fire blazing unity. It melt the chain, it break the wall. It answer to the righteous call. No lies survive, no darkness stay. When fire of Jah light the way, it guard the weak, it guide the strong. Fire keep we moving on. Me see the elder by the flame, chanting praise to Jah Jah name. Me hear the drum, me hear the song. Me know the fire will last long. It teach the youth fi stand up tall. Never bow to Babylon call. Every ember, every glow is Jah love we come to know. Through the night and through the rain, fire burn and still remain. From first creation to the end, fire of Jah will never bend. It guide the way, it guard the gate. It keep the love and burn the hate. In every heart, in every land, fire blaze by Jah command. Blaze high, blaze wide, fire of Jah we cannot hide. From east to west, from shore to shore, fire burn forevermore. No chain, no wall can stop the flame. Fire of Rasta, praise Jah name. Fire of Rastafari, blaze so strong. Burn away the hate and wrong, like the path for we to trod. Keep we walking close to God, from morning sun to evening star. Fire of Jah burn near and far. No, 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 Zion is higher man. Morning break with holy flame. Zion sunrise in Jah name. Darkness flee, no shadow stay. Light of Zion fill the day. Every dawn a chance we grow. Every seed Jah blessing sow. Babylon night can't overcome. Zion shine like rising sun. Zion rising bright and high. Paint the earth and paint the sky. Shine forever chain strong enough fi hold. Zion fire brighter than gold. Every man and woman sing. Zion's son a holy king. It heal the wound, it dry the tear. Zion's son forever near. Warm the heart, restore the soul. Zion light will make us whole. From east to west, from north to south. Zion flame in every mouth. From age to age, still shining bright. Zion's sun, eternal light. Shine, shine, Zion flame, Zion flame. Rise forever in Jah name. Every morning new begun. Zion rise like morning sun. Zion rising bright and high. Paint the earth and paint the sky. Shine forever, never done. Zion bright like morning sun. Glory, glory, day begun. Zion rise, the chosen one. Aye, aye, aye. Zion deep in the jungle. Aye, 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 aye. Zion deep in the jungle. Lightning carve across the sky. Crown of storms is lifted high. Thunder roll with holy sound. Crown of storms shake all around. Babylon throne begin to bend. Crown of storms bring judgment end. Every cloud a fiery flame. Crown exalt your mighty name. Prophets stand upon the hill. Crown of storms reveal Jah will. Every strike a holy word. Crown of storms cannot be blurred. Darkness scatter, chains undone. Crown of storms bring morning sun. Every roar a sacred sign. Crown of storms declare divine. Voices chant across the land. Crown of storms strike Babylon hand. Walls of pride them fall apart. Crown of storms touch every heart. Kings them tremble, lies exposed. Crown of storms keep truth composed. Even night cannot conceal. Crown of storms forever real. Farmer kneel upon the ground. Crown of storms and rain around. Fields of hunger start to grow. Crown of storms, let mercy flow. No more famine, no more pain. Crown of storms, restore again. face. Crown of storms bring holy grace. Nations bow and nations pray. Crown of storms reveal the way. Babylon pride must fade away. Crown of storms declare the day. Gatheration singing all. Crown of storm fulfill the law. No corruption hide the face. Crown of storms bring holy grace. Nations bow and nations pray. Crown of storms reveal the way. Babylon pride must fade away. Crown of storms declare the day. Crash, crash upon the flame. Crown of storms exalt your name. Shine, shine, lightning true. Crown of storms protect the crew. Roll, roll, heavy sound. Crown of storms shake the ground. Crown of storms fierce and high. Judgment blaze across the sky. Never fading, never gone. Crown of storms keep rolling on. Forever roaring, bold and bright. Crown of storms shine your light. Strike the darkness, break the chain. Crown of storms bring peace again.
Zion Reggae.
Deep in the night and the moonlight glow. Nyabinghi drum beat steady and slow. Call the people from near and far. Guide them home where the prophets are. Every rhythm tells a story true. Ancient voice that carry through. Drum of Rasta never cease. Beat the sound of love and peace. Drum of Nyabinghi strong and pure. Beat for the truth that will endure. Carry the chant to Zion gate. Break the chain and crush the hate. From the hilltop down to shore. Drum beat echo forevermore. It call the youth, it wake the old. Tell them all what the prophets told. Each vibration heal the soul. Make the wounded spirit whole. Babylon tremble when it hear. Drum of Jah is drawing near. Under the stars and early sun. Nyabinghi chant just begun. With every strike a prayer rise high. Reach Jah throne up in the sky. It join the heart, it join the hand. It build the love across the land. From first beat till the last. Drum of Zion, hold we fast. Me see the elder close them eye. Feel the spirit passing by. Me see the youth begin to sway. Learn the ancient Rasta way. Drum teach patience, drum teach fight. Drum teach wrong from what is right. Every beat a guiding light. Keep the flame of Jah in sight. When the night winds start to cool, drum still teach Jah holy school. From dawn to dusk, from dusk to dawn. Nyabinghi keep treading on. It tell the world we shall be free. When love and truth is all we see. Drum of Rasta loud and clear. Beat till Babylon disappear. Beat slow, beat fast. Carry the message that will last. From root to crown, from sea to sky. Nyabinghi drum will never fear can still the hand. Drum of Jah will rule the land. Drum of Nyabinghi strong and pure. Beat for the truth that will endure. Carry the chant to Zion gate. Break the chain and crush the hate. From mountain high to valley low. Nyabinghi beat will always flow. Badabim Badabum, Rastafari is stone, yeah man. Early in the morning, me rise with light. Birds, them a sing and me heart feel right. Me step outside, barefoot on the ground. Nature a guide every sacred sound. Me gather herb from the roots me grow. Me burn a chalice, me spirit flow. In a silence, me start to pray. Give thanks for life every single day. Herb and harmony, balance divine. Me soul align in just sunshine. Call up the ancients in a the breeze. Me feel them whispering at the trees. Herb and harmony, one meditation. In a this chant me find salvation. No rush, no fight, just bread and song. In a Jah presence me belong. Me walk through hills where me elders trod. Them teach we about the power of Jah and God. How the plant a heal and the rhythm a guide. How we no need no riches fi feel alive. Me sit by the fire with Nyabinghi beat. Drum echo heart and earth beneath me feet. Me reason deep with me sister and true. Love and life is all we do. Me nah look west, me nah look east. Me look within, fi find me peace. Meditation deep like ocean tide. Me find the eye, me ego hide. Me trod slow but me vision high. Me smoke a draw and me touch the sky. Each herb leaf a ancient code. Me travel far but me heart stay home. Herb and harmony, wisdom sound. Me chant with heart till truth be found. Call up creation, voice of light. Me feel it strong in a full moon night. Urban harmony, no disguise. Just Rasta way, no Babylon lies. We nah go run, we stand up firm. Each session a blessing, each moment we learn. Me children laugh, them run and play. Me teach them love in a roots man way. Me woman strong, she hold the fire. She chant and drum with righteous desire. We plant together, we reap with grace. No vanity in a the sacred space. Just music, healing, food and song. Me know in Zion, we all belong. So light your spliff and breathe real slow. Let go the stress, just let love grow. The universe hear every sound you send, and every journey have a holy end. Urban harmony, life and drum. Me chant until the kingdom come. Call of the ancients, roots and sky. Me know me soul will never die.
Ay, 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 ay. Ganja and meditate, yeah, man. Burning bright from ancient days. Fire light Jah holy ways. Cleanse the call. No lies survive, no darkness stay. When fire of Jah light the way, it guard the weak, it guide the strong. Fire keep we moving on. Me see the elder by the flame, chanting praise to Jah name. Me hear the drum, me hear the song. Me know the fire will last long. It teach the youth fi stand up tall, never bow to Babylon call. Every ember, every glow is Jah love we come to know. Through the night and through the rain, fire burn and still remain. From first creation to the end, fire of Jah will never bend. It guide the way, it guard the gate. It keep the love and burn the hate. In every heart, in every land, fire blaze by Jah command. Blaze high, blaze wide, fire of Jah we cannot hide. From east to west, from shore to shore, fire burn forevermore. No chain, no wall can stop the flame. Fire of Rasta, praise Jah name. Fire of Rastafari, blaze so strong, burn away the hate and wrong. Like the path we to trod, keep we walking close to God. From morning sun to evening star, fire of Jah burn near and far.
Ay, 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 Zion Reggae. Upon the head of righteous one, crown of Zion like the sun. Not of silver, not of gold, crown of love forever bold. It shine with mercy, shine with peace. Crown of Jah bring sweet release. Forever pure, forever true. Crown of Zion for me and you. Crown of Zion bright and strong. Bless the righteous all along. Every trial, every test, crown of Jah reward the bliss.
every trial, every test. Crown of Jah reward the blessed. From earth to sky, from night to morn. Crown of Zion ever worn. Na Zion Raga, yeah man. Holy city shining bright, city of Zion full of light, streets of peace and gates of gold. City story never old, no crime, no war, no pain to bear. City of Jah forever care. Every house a song of love. City shining high above. City of Zion pure and fair. Jah eternal dwelling there. Every people, every land. City built by Jah hand. It glow at night, it shine by day. City of Zion holy way. No hunger there, no thirst, no fight. Shine with holy light. It called the children, called the meek. City truth all people seek. Forever standing, never fall. City of Jah, feel we all. Me walk the street of righteous flame. City chant Jah holy name. It bless the humble, bless the kind. City of Jah, eternal mind. No wicked plan, no Babylon rule. City of Zion, holy school. Forever shining bright and clear. City of Jah forever near. It echo drum, it echo song. City of Zion stands so long. It heal the heart, it lift the soul. City of Jah make we whole. Forever pure, forever bright. City shining day and night. Every gate a holy sign. City of Jah forever mine. When the trumpet sound at last, city of Zion standing fast. It blaze eternal, never done. City shining with Jah sun. Forever home, forever free. City of Jah for you and me. From earth to sky, from night to morn. City of Zion ever born. Stand tall, walk in. City of Zion free from sin. No wall, no hate can ever break. City of Jah no man forsake. City of Zion pure and fair. Jah eternal dwelling there. Every people, every land. City built by Jah hand. From dawn of time till trumpet play. City of Zion always stay. Aye, aye, aye. Mantai. Davai. Pretty Kazakh. Step by step upon the way, Zion light guide night and day. Through the valley, through the storm, Jah keep the people safe and warm. Every footstep mark the ground with the truth that Jah has found. Babylon road lead to fall, but Zion path redeem us all. Path of Zion straight and true. Walk it high and walk it you. Through the struggle, through the pain, path of Zion still remain. Children rise, don't walk alone. Path of Zion bring you home. From the desert, from the sea, Jah prepare the way for we. No false road, no wicked plan can fool the heart of righteous man. Ancient guide, eternal flame, path of Zion call Jah name. Walk the path with steady hand, carry love across the land. Every trial, every fight, path of Zion shine the light. Generations come and go, still the path will always show. Every nation great and small, Zion path unite us all. Step, don't turn aside. Jah provide and Jah will guide. Through the fire, through the rain, path of Zion never strain. Path of Zion straight and true. Walk it high and walk it you. Through the struggle, through the pain, path of Zion still remain. Forevermore it lead along, path of Zion righteous strong. Na 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 Rasta, strong meditate ya man. Oh, oh. Wake up with the morning sun pa me skin, breeze from the ocean me soul begin. Me wash me face in river divine, thank Jah for the bread for this blessed time. Me sip me roots tea, me chant a prayer, burn a little sage, cleanse the air. The world full of noise, but me heart stay clear. Me step with peace, me carry no fear. Me wear me crown, me lock so long. Every strand carry just song. Me no rush, me move so strong. In a balance, that's where me belong. Me walk in a light of Jah love. Me rise like a dove. Every day me give thanks above. In a the hills or the city street, me chant with the heartbeat beat. Rasta live what Babylon can't defeat. Me no chase riches or Babylon lies. open skies. Me build me home with me own two hands. Me live simply like Zion man. Me play roots rhythm on the vinyl wheel. Me feel the dub, me spirit heal. Me children learn from nature school. Them grow strong, them live by Jah rule. No toxin in a me plate, just title food me cultivate. The body a temple, clean and great. Me give Jah praise, me elevate. And when the stress come down, me light a spliff and sit down. Me meditate with no sound. Jah guide me mind, me steer ground. Inna me yard me hear the bird them sing, a sweet reminder of the joy life bring. Me plant more trees, me dance, me swing to rhythms that make me soul take wing. The people pass, them hail me name, Rastaman, your vibes never lame. Me tell them love is the holy flame. Burn the ego, burn the fame. Me no in a rush, me stay in tune. Me chant a psalm under the moon. Me play me drum, me sing me tune. Me walk with Jah, me heart immune. Me walk in a light of Jah love. Me rise like a dove. Every day me give thanks above. Inna the hills or the city street, me chant with the heartbeat beat. Rasta live what Babylon can defeat. Me no own big house or gold chain, but me rich in joy. Me feel no pain. Me family close, me soul sustain. Rain or shine, me still remain. Me read from the book of wisdom days. Me reason deep in ancient ways. Me sight up Zion in a purple haze. Me chant for peace, me chant for praise. And when Babylon try confuse, me just sitting on me view. Mountains teach me what to do. Hold the line and walk it through. Me ride me bike down country road. Me carry herbs, me share the load. Me greet me elders, me speak me code. In a Rasta rhythm, me life unfold. Me know me mission, spread Jah light. Through music, love, and ganja right. Me voice a spark in this endless night. Me shine for people, me chant them right. Me walk in a light of Jah love. Me rise like a dove. Every day me give thanks above. From Africa to yard and street, me chant with the heartbeat beat. Rasta stand tall, Babylon can't delete. So come follow the way of nature, peace and night today. With reggae sweet and ganja blaze, we lift the world in righteous praise. Hey, 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 hey. Zion reggae. Upon the throne of righteous King, Zion angels dance and sing. It blaze with fire, blaze with light. Throne of Jah forever bright. No crown of war, no chain of hate. Throne of Zion open gate. Forever ruling, strong and free. Throne of Jah eternity. Throne of Zion stand so tall. Jah forever rule we all. Justice flow like holy stream. Throne of Jah, the righteous dream. No man can bribe,
land. Jah plant roots with holy hand. Storm may rage but still them stand. Eternal roots across the sand. Every season come or go, still the righteous roots will grow. Babylon fire can't consume. Eternal roots forever bloom. Eternal roots forever strong. Stand the test of right and wrong. Hold the earth and hold the sky. Eternal roots will never die. Roots of love, roots of peace, grow until the war shall cease. Roots of mercy, roots of flame, grow forever in Jah name. From the elder to the youth, roots of Zion carry truth. From creation till today, roots of Zion light the way. Shut through the drought and through the rain, eternal roots remain. Every culture, every tongue, sing the roots where we belong. From Africa to every land, eternal roots by Jah. Roots so mighty, roots so wide, carry people side by side. Roots of Zion never bend. Eternal roots without end. Eternal roots forever strong. Stand the test of right and wrong. Hold the earth and hold the sky. Eternal roots will never die. Day by day and year by year, eternal roots still standing here. Na Zion reggae, yeah man. River flow from holy ground. Zion water all around. It heal the thirsty, heal the weak. River truth all people seek. Forever flowing clear and wide. River of Jah by my side. Eternal current never dry. River Zion flowing high. River of Zion pure and deep. Bless the soul and bless the sheep. Living water, holy flame. River flowing Jah name. It cool the weary, wash the pain. River Zion bless again. No drought, no desert, no man control. River of Jah cleanse me soul. Forever streaming strong and free. River Zion carry me from mountain top to ocean wide. River Jah forever guide. Me see the elder take a sip.
Bless the children, bless the meek. River of truth all people seek. Forever holy, never gone. River of Jah forever strong. Eternal flow from throne above. River Zion, water love. No Babylon can dam the stream. River Zion, holy dream. It cut the stone, it cleared the way. River of Jah every day. Forever pure, forever new. River Zion carry through. It wash away the guilt, the shame. River flow in Jah name. When the final trumpet play, River Zion flow same way. Forever streaming, never cease. River of Jah, eternal peace. It